Hi, this is Sarah Melanson with Biosculpture Canada. We are thrilled to introduce the EVO Classics 3 collection. Our first color is Elena. This is a beautiful coral pink tone. Elena is going to be perfect for springtime. It's not too bright, but it still has a really fun, youthful feel. Our EVO colors are beautiful with our high shine gloss top coat, but we also recommend trying our EVO Suede matte top coat. It completely changes the look of a color. This is Clara. Clara is a soft pink with a very slight peach undertone. It's an absolutely gorgeous color that wears as a classic shade. It's not overly bright and will look great on all skin tones. We love Anna. This is a bright pink with a fuchsia undertone. It's got lots of vibrancy and it's really a gorgeous color. We know that Luciana will be a fast favorite. This nude shade has an ivory undertone. It's beautiful and it applies like a dream. 2 coats for absolutely solid coverage. Heidi is a gorgeous dusty rose shade. It's absolutely stunning with a high gloss finish, but it's also beautiful with our suede matte top coat. If you're looking for sparkle, Lexi is your color. This is a gorgeous burnt red shade with all sorts of glitter and hexes. It's a really beautiful shade to wear on its own, or you can apply it over top of other colors to create a different effect. Here we'll apply 3 coats to get a solid coverage. The final color in the collection is Maria. Maria is a sheer pink with a whole lot of sparkle. It's an absolutely beautiful color. On its own, it'll create a sheer look. But when you apply it over top of any other color, it helps to create a whole new appearance. Here I'm using it on top of Luciana from the Classics 3 collection. This color is going to be fabulous on top of French, on top of white, really any color at all. I know you're going to love this shade. Now that you've had a chance to see the EVO Classics 3 collection, let's show you how we can incorporate these colors into 4 amazing nail art designs. This first design is an abstract nail design. We've chosen 3 colors as our accents, and we've used EVO Luciana as the base. EVO Elena is the brightest shade, and we're complementing that with EVO Whitney, which is the white shade. In the center of these 2, we've used EVO Lexi, which is a strawberry toned glitter. add the 3 colors very lightly, overlapping each other like you see me do here in the video. Cure, and once cured, we'll add some black dots along the surface to really create a pop. This is an easy nail art, and you can do it with multiple colors to create all sorts of different effects. In this design, we've created an ombre effect using Evo Luciana and Evo Clara. We've sealed it off with Evo Gloss, and now we're going to do some surface art using the Biosculpture Threading Gel. Threading gel is a great nail art tool. It's easy to apply. It can be applied under our gloss or as top surface art. Make sure to cure for 1 minute when using as top surface art. We know that you'll love this design. It's easy, fast, and it looks stunning. In this video, we'll be showing a marbling technique. We have a layer of gloss gel on our nail, and we are picking up a combination of Evo Whitney, which is the white, Evo Elena, Evo Heidi, and Evo Clara to create this beautiful marbling technique. The gel will slide into that wet surface layer and bloom to create a lovely marble. This technique is so easy and it looks so great. We're adding a little bit of Maria to give it some extra shine, and you can finish this design with either suede, matte top coat, or Evo Gloss for a high shine finish. Clients will love this for how fast, effortless, and beautiful the design looks. In this video, we will be showing this gorgeous floral motif. We are going to start with Evo Luciana as our base and create flowers using a nail art brush and an irregular shape. Here we're using Evo Anna and Evo Heidi from the Classics 3 collection. We'll also be adding Evo Elena. Once you have cured your flowers, then we are going to accent them using the Biosculpture HP High Pigment White Gel Paint. This is a fun design to welcome springtime. It's great for any occasion, and it's not too difficult. Even a beginner can apply and create this design. Finally, we will add black leaves using our fine art brush to finish off the detailing. We hope you've enjoyed this video. If you've loved this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a great day.